Hey friend, in the next 7 minutes, I am going to give you 3 reasons why you should choose gutter guards over gutter cleaning. My name is Don Sewing, owner of Priority Gutter Cleaning. We are a family owned and operated company that has served the Kansas City metro area since 2015. Now, this video is for homeowners, for rental property owners, and for property managers. So make sure you watch it until the end because the third reason is the best of them all, especially if you are a new homeowner or a new mover. So let's go. Reason number 1. Gutter guards give you year-round protection. When you hire out gutter cleaning, there is no guarantee that your gutters will be cleaned in time to prevent clogs. If you hire a good gutter cleaning company, they will be busy and they will have to work you into their schedule. From our experience, most people wait too long after the leaves fall, even into the late spring and early summer, in order to get their gutters cleaned. This can create problems because most of the rains come in the early spring. Because of these factors, it is our experience that most homeowners will have clogged gutters before their scheduled cleaning. This puts their foundation at risk because of the overflow of their gutters with rain. Now, reason number 2, gutter guards give you uninterrupted protection. You may have a good professional gutter cleaner now, but they may not always be there in the future. From our experience, we have been told by our customers about their former cleaners moving away, going out of business, or even dying. When these things happen, you are not guaranteed to get a good professional gutter cleaner the next time around. Gutter cleaners tend to be a roll of the dice because of their low barrier to entry. Some homeowners and property managers discontinue gutter cleaning services only to go years without getting their gutters cleaned again. This puts their foundations and thus their investments at risk. Now, reason number 3. Gutter guards save you money in the long run, depending on which ones you get. Homeowners in the USA on average stay in their homes about 13 years, according to commonly cited statistics. The average price of professional gutter cleaning is about $200 per home. Therefore, the average homeowner in the USA will spend up to $2,600 on annual gutter cleaning and up to $5,200 on semi-annual cleaning throughout the duration of their stay. However, our average price for installing Bulldog Gutter Guard is currently about $1,200, and that's per home. We save residential and commercial property owners thousands of dollars in the long run at our current price point. Now, at this point, you may be asking, well, what is Bulldog Gutter Guard? Well, I'm going to tell you, but before I get into the details, let me tell you my story. Now, I was introduced to Bulldog Gutter Guard by a fellow contractor in 2015. He was telling me how his customers loved it and it was a great price point, and so I took him up on it and I started using it at that point. Now, a couple years later, I ended up subcontracting for a big corporate national gutter protection company. Now, they put out a micro mesh screen gutter guard, and it had its strengths, had its weaknesses, but it was super expensive. Over my 3 years of working with them, I realized the value that I had in offering Bulldog Gutter Guard. Now, I say this because just weighing the pros and cons of the Bulldog Gutter Guard and pros and cons of this big corporate guard, I saw that the Bulldog did just as well and in some cases better. And I saw that people were paying ridiculous prices for gutter guards when they could have, enjoyed the Bulldog Gutter Guard. Of course, I couldn't cross over because I was subcontracting. I had to maintain my integrity. So because of my experience, I can honestly say that Bulldog gives the best bang for your gutter guard buck. Knowing this insider secret motivates me to be an advocate for people like you and tell you the truth. Now, here's the Bulldog Gutter Guard logo. You may have seen it before. And this is what Bulldog Gutter Guard looks like when it is installed. Now, you notice that it is a flat-laying metal guard made of aluminum, and it has ridges in it. It has ripples, and that's so air can move underneath and blow the leaves and debris off the top. Also, you see the holes. You see that the holes are big enough in the guards to drink in a heavy rain, even when there's leaves and debris on top. Now, how Bulldog Gutter Guard gives you the best bang for your gutter guard buck? Well, for one, it carries a 25-year no-clog guarantee from the manufacturer. Also, it is designed to be low maintenance. So I showed you the ripple design, the air moving underneath the leaves and debris, carrying them off the guard, making it low maintenance. It's also designed to handle heavy rains. You saw the holes in the guards, not too big, not too small. And our current price point is comparable to the price of 5 to 7 gutter cleanings. So people recover their investment within a few short years by installing Bulldog Gutter Guard. So at this point, after I've shown you all this, you may ask, how can I get some of that? Well, for a free price quote anywhere in the continental USA, call or text us at 816-382-0302. Now, we are based in Metro Kansas City, so if you're a local, we will personally install Bulldog Gutter Guard for you. However, if you live anywhere in the continental USA, we have a growing national network of gutter cleaning and protection professionals who will install Bulldog Gutter Guard for you. But you must act now, because we will not always offer Bulldog Gutter Guard at this price point. The price of aluminum has steadily been going up over the years, and if it continues, then our prices are going to have to go up. So act now. This may be the last time that you can get Bulldog Gutter Guard installed at this low of a price point. So after showing you all this, you may still not want to get gutter guards at this time, and that's okay. Gutter cleaning is your next best option, and it is better than doing nothing. And we would be happy to come clean your gutters if you live in the Kansas City metro and surrounding areas. So whether you want guards or just cleaning, call or text us today at 816-382-0302 for a free quote. 816-382-0302.